Welcome back. State and healthcare workers will have to prove their vaccine status or get tested weekly. These new requirements were announced by Governor Gavin Newsom yesterday and affect many employees locally. KSBY's Aaron Fay joins us live outside Cal Poly, one of the places impacted. Aaron, why are the requirements being issued now?
This is in the wake of the Delta variant, which government officials say is actually more contagious than the original COVID-19 strain.
I lost my mother to COVID, March of 2020. Had a couple other deaths in the family the same year. Pretty hard year.
Governor Gavin Newsom on Monday announced that all state and healthcare workers, public and private, must release their vaccination status to their employers starting next month. This is after an uptick in COVID-19 cases across the state and the rise in Delta variant cases as well.
It is very easily spread from person to person, can be picked up off of a mask by touching it and those kind of things, much easier than other variants could be.
Some feel the state loosened restrictions too soon. California reopened in June, but over the past few weeks, cases have more than doubled across the state.
We had a house guest come just recently from back east and found out she wasn't vaccinated. First person that ever come in our house in like 15 months. That bothered me a lot.
One thing that you don't hear a lot about is like the psychological factor of worrying about, gee, if I do go back to my job, am I going to get sick? And is the money worth me getting sick? And you know, a lot of people didn't get a do-over when they did get that disease, I mean, around the world.
Beginning next month, state and healthcare workers will need to either submit proof they're vaccinated or participate in weekly testing.
You're basically shish kebabbing to the back of your throat through your nostrils. So that seems uncomfortable to me, and unless it's completely necessary, I wouldn't want to be tested for COVID.
The governor says he expects full compliance by August 23rd. Live at Cal Poly, Aaron Fay, KSBY News.
Thank you, Aaron. And some places like Los Angeles County have brought back mask requirements as a result in the rise in cases. Santa Barbara County also issued an indoor mask recommendation. In San Luis Obispo County, we're expecting to learn more about COVID-19 cases and concerns later this morning. A virtual press conference is planned for 11 o'clock.